Yeah, that's how we reach, you know, say prime out the box them and clean up some filler part and them thing upon it. Clean up and we in the box is almost ready. Run out of colour. See colour. So I colour boy, me I tell you, paint there all over everything. Paint there all over everything. I know me paint the box them prime them out still, you know. No sir. Look at colour left in the pan, you know. I know me prime them out still, but them prime out. Oh, I make me go and look on the car in the day, you know. If you do, you know, completely fit up, but we get it back from the colour shop. I just put on some colour on it. And then put the brakes set them in a purple. Underneath and then windscreen man for come this evening come put in back a glass them. But I hate that. Clean it up and start install the sound tonight. Yeah. Yeah, watch what going on now. You know, so we are clean out every creases I care though. Yeah man, we are take it down to a level and now. Take out everything out of the back. Everything out of here so. Clear out, take down the ceiling. You know, so I don't too want trouble some of them foam business there. But we are going, you know? Yeah. Late in the evening. Alright, painting time. I use roller. I show you what I use the roller and do. I don't know, if you not follow my channel a long time, you're supposed to know I use the roller, I use sawdust, and I use the paint. Mix the three of them together and get a nice little combination. If you not watch my channel and I see it before, I got to do right now, quick and fast in the evening and get it for dry. Nah man. Nothing in the video, man. Man, sit down over there and I watch a video when I make, right? Or so. Video? You see, I see it in it? It will show you roughness in a video? Eh?
When you hold it close.
So hold it close, that's when you can show me. Yo, me no, no about thief my style, you know. Come in with the light. Alright, this is what I do, you know. The back, I forgot to take out boxing, you know. Judge your amount perfect. Mix up the right amount of material. Do the work to the exact. Yeah, that is it right now. That is it for the day. All in a day's work. Me not gonna do the window box them rough. Smooth, me do window box. Alright, that's it. Make sure say everyone who subscribe to the video them. Subscribe now. Press the button. Press the bell. I want to know when me upload video. And thanks for your support. All who support me. Thanks for your support. Mad.